Today, there are many cryptographic devices in the world, but only some of them are really well designed and thoroughly tested. We already gave you an insight into the design process, so now it's time to see our testing. You can see our primary console testing box here. We put Cryptoucan inside and we are able to measure voltages and temperatures as needed. It also gives us a serial console with special firmware builds. All we need is to connect it not only via its USB port, but also using the connection port of the testing box. During the development, one of the time-consuming tasks was to find good light-emitting diodes, LEDs for short, that would fit our needs. We needed specific hues of red, green and yellow. Of course, the red has to be with a slight tint of orange. After testing the LEDs separately, we went on and tried them in a batch. As you can see, the luminosity is something that needed to be adjusted. In spite of their high luminosity, all the testing sets looked really great in the dark. We also had to find LEDs with the lowest height. That's because the LEDs alone just shine into space and the actual shape of the lighted symbols is given by the light guide. We opted for a single-body light guide for all LEDs, and after a series of tests, the 3D printed transparent light guide with solid black pad was ready. A batch of 3D printed light guides forms a beautiful sculpture which can disperse the light nicely even if it's still a piece. When working with private data, it is crucial to avoid sidechannel attacks. One example of a sidechannel attack is sensitive information leakage through power consumption. With just a few wires and a small PCB, we measured voltage changes and currents on the USB cable during various operations Cryptoucan was performing. These measurements allowed us to avoid a whole class of possible sidechannel attacks by designing the circuitry properly. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, more to come. And also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, and enjoy the ride.